Well, my name is Muta Baruka.
Muta Baruka, and I'm curious, first of all, how do you feel about the Queen's death?
I don't have no feelings about it.
No feelings at all?
No.
Even though this is a Commonwealth nation and she was the head of state?
She's the head of state of the Commonwealth nation. I am not part of the Commonwealth. I don't recognize myself as part of the Commonwealth nation.
What a day when the table turn. What a day when the table turn. To whom it may concern. What a day when the table turn. From the day that a baby's born till his old age tired and torn. To whom it may concern. What a day when the table turn. What a day when the table turn. Two mic and the turntable. Play with fire and you may get burned. Mine out cause it might turn fatal. Looking out for the pie in the sky. Wow, and I work with cable. Keep my reach deep on the ground. And all my dons around the round table. Only one king and his name not Charlie. King of reggae man like Bob Marley. Large up Garvey, Kwame Nkrumah. King of kings in the line of Judah. Only one king and his name not Charlie. Haile Selassie Rastafari. Commander in chief. In Clarky boots and khaki. What a day when the table turn. Table turn. To whom it may concern. What a day when the table turn. From the day that a baby's born till his old age tired and torn. To whom it may concern. What a day when the table turn. I didn't think I'd get to witness the day that they return the riches. Too many glitches in the system. Listen, bottling down to cinders. Just try jump shit quick out the windows. So there's no doubt there that we're gonna win this. Try whitewash all the pictures, but we're all well aware of our histories. What a day when the table capsized. Not Catholic, might never baptize. None of them dip in the water, still pure evil there in a man's eyes. Bad mind, keep away with your bad vibes. Before I put two lash in your backside. But I never ran from the bogeyman, crying afraid of the bad guys. What a day when the table turn. What a day when the table turn. To whom it may concern. What a day when the table turn. From the day that a baby's born, old age tired and torn. What a day when the table turn. What a day when the table turn over. Same table that we learn over. New world order, got the whole world under foreclosure. What a day when the table turn over. Can't no longer put the wall over. Not on music, it's not views and vulgar. Wind them all down with the bulldozer. Pulled over, car desert Audi on the pullover. Pull closer, come and exchange custom and culture. If not, leave the dry bone for the vulture. Meditate, elevate till we turn ultra. When I enter the temple, every table I have to turn over. What a day when the table turn. What a day when the table turn. To whom it may concern. What a day when the table turn. From the day that a baby's born till his old age tired and torn. To whom it may concern. What a day when the table turn. What a day when the table turn. What a day when the table turn. To whom it may concern. When the table turn. From the day that a baby's born till his old age tired and torn. To whom it may concern. What a day when the table turn. Who's that in the crown and the white horse? Kicking false kings down off the high horse. Burning the fire torch. Preserving the life force. Wax on, wax off. Wax on and wax off. Call me Mr. Miyagi, slew them with karate to the back door. Fearing the war with a burning spear. When the old girl died, didn't shed one tear. None of them died down for OBE, just to further their career. Cut them off and I cut ties. One eye open when I shut eyes. Left them there in the dry bones outside for the jankos and the magpies. What a day when the table turn. What a day when the table turn. To whom it may concern. What a day when the table turn. From the day that a baby's born till his old age tired and torn. To whom it may concern. What a day when the table turn.
We have to continue this struggle to make whosoever is on the throne now recognize that there's something that is need to be done right now, and that is an apology and reparation.